applied po ako for Taiwan as a factory worker. So almost half of my life po ay OFW ako. So 2001, naka 9 years, almost 9 years po ako sa Taiwan before ako nag-apply papuntang Canada. So in 2011, I came to Canada as a live-in caregiver. So yun ang journey ko as as an OFW. So I am also uh, I am
Maraming
also
curious dito, Ma'am Gemma. I mean,
sorry.
yes po, maraming curious. Paano daw po kayo napasok dun sa trading nyo dito sa,
Okay.
yes.
So yeah, I will go on this part. So I am also an online business owner. So before po ako before pa po before pa po ako nag-start ng aking online business, I really wanted, gusto ko talagang matuto sa gusto ko talaga, I was interested to learn Forex trading, pero hindi lang po ako makahanap ng right community to start with. So, nag-follow nga rin ako ng isa siyang content creator, nag-inquire ako sa kanya, she gave me the link para mag-open ng account sa Light Finance. Pero hindi ko rin siya nagamit kasi wala siyang program na kagaya dito sa ating community. So, nag-open ako ng account but hindi ko siya naggalaw kasi I have zero knowledge with Forex trading. Kaya nga po nung nakita ko yung ads ni Coach MJ, nag-inquire ako kaagad. And he told me that this is an academy and it's a Forex trading course. So I was excited and I vividly remember when he asked me in on rate of 1 to 10, how interested are you to enroll the academy? It was just like 10. Ganun ako ka-interesado at ka-excited na matuto sa Forex trading.
Wow.
So, nag-start po yung journey ko April 1st. So, nag-sign up po ako sa Academy April 1st. And talagang nag-focus ako dun sa learning. Nag-focus ako dun sa learning kasi zero knowledge nga po ako. And the first 3 months po, I have a love and hate relationship with Forex trading. So, nandun po yung malos, manalo, melos,
Yeah.
ganon. But talagang na, inano ko talaga, nag-focus ako dun sa learning even from my mistakes. Ah, naggumawa pa ako ng journal sa mga mistakes na nagawa ko and I learned from it.
Wow.
So, dun po ako nag-start sa dun po ako nag-start sa aking journey.
Wow. So, maraming curious dito, Miss Gemma, kung pwede lang, no, ma-share
Aha.
lang sa inyo, kung ano ba yung parang strategy mo na ginamit natin dito sa community tools para kumita tayo? Or you might wanna share your profits if you don't
Okay.
mind, kung pwede.
So, so nung nag-start po ako, sabi ni Coach MJ, mag-focus ka muna sa isa or dalawang pairs. So nag-focus po ako dun sa XAU-USD at saka sa DG30. And then inaral ko talaga yung sniper strategy ni Coach Nars. So doon po talaga ako naging profitable. At saka yung sa lately na we have the surefire signal na, nagkaroon po ako naging more confident ako sa mga trades ko kasi meron akong confirmation kung yung sniper strategy is the same ang bias sa mga signal na binabato sa surefire. Doon ako talaga yun yung lately naging most no, naging nakatulong sa akin para maging profitable dito sa trading journey ko. And
Wow, grabe.
for my naman sa aking progress dito so far nakapag-withdraw na po. Nag-start ako ng April, nakapag-withdraw na po ako ng 5,000 US dollars. So that is equivalent to 6,491 Canadian dollar. So baka po
Wow.
mayroong magtatanong magkano naman ang naging capital ko doon to make that profit. So from April po to August, I nag-deposit po ako sa VT Markets ng 3,400 Canadian dollars. So 6,400 Canadian dollars and I make 6,491. So it's just like 90% profit, right? So napakalaki talaga ng potential dito dito sa forex trading kung talagang aaralin mo lang siya. Pero doon nag-struggle ang gusto ko lang i-share. Yung struggle ko talaga is yun sa psychology part ng ano. Kasi napaka-simple ng strategy eh. Susundan mo lang siya. Napaka-simple niyang ano. Sabi nga nila, you don't have a complicated strategy. You just need a simple strategy that work for you. Tapos pagka na-master mo yun, napakadali siya. Pero doon ako nag-struggle sa psychology part ng trading, which we also need to master.
Wow, thank you for that tip, ma'am. Ganda. Ano ba yung mga advice po natin dito, ma'am, sa mga fellow traders natin and beginners, especially sa mga newbie?
Okay. So, ang ma-advise ko po, for me, forex trading is like building a house. We need a good foundation uh, para, kasi without it, kahit the smallest storm will knock everything down, right? So, ano ba yung kailangan natin? What do we need to have a good foundation in forex trading? First, the education. So, kailangan tayong mag-focus muna dun sa learning. Kasi yung the right knowledge will be our base sa foundation natin. So, kailangan natin mag-focus dun sa learning at huwag tayong manghinayang dun sa babayaran natin sa Hero 30 and sa sa NOAA, sa Academy. Kasi don't consider it as a fee. Considered it as an investment kasi
Yeah.
ano yun, magbibigay sa iyo ng return later. At saka wag tayong ma-FOMO, wag tayong magmadali na kumita
Yeah.
kaagad. Wag tayong magmadali na kumita kaagad. Kung may, may nakita kang some of your kabatch mo ay nagpo-post na ng mga profit nila. That's okay. Take your time sa learning process mo kasi may iba-iba tayong ano 'di ba? May iba-iba tayong pace ng learning. So take your time kasi darating ka rin dun sa part na 'yon. And at saka wag mag-focus sa profit. Focus on the learning and the profit will come later. And second is discipline. This is your self-control. This is the part of the psychology part of the trading. Paano ka ba mag-react if paano mo nakokontrol yung self mo? How do you react kung yung market go against you? Kasi if you take your emotions take over, like the fear and greed, you will make bad decisions. Kaya kailangan natin i-master din yon on how we control ourselves. And third is the good mindset. Kasi regardless, meron kang you have the best strategy. Kung wala yung mindset mo, mawawala ka rin. Mawawala ka rin sa ano, mawawala ka rin sa ano mo, sa 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 strategy mo.
Tama.
Mawawalan ka rin ng ano. Kasi eventually masusunugan ka.
True, true.
It's part of the trading. Masusunugan at masusunugan ka. Pero kung if we take it as a lesson instead of failure,
Yeah.
then we can survive at we can makakaano tayo. We will keep moving no matter what.
So,
Yun
how does
lamang po
it
ang message ko.
feel, Miss Gemma, how does it feel na may community ka? Parang ano yung nafe-feel mo right now? And are you happy with your income ngayon?
Actually, I am so grateful that I am with this community. If you are really want to learn, if you really want to learn, then yun sa foundation that I mentioned, the education, the discipline, and the mindset, matututunan mo yun dito sa community nito. If you are really looking for community na makakatulong tayo sa'yo, na magsusupport sa'yo, that will encourage and inspire you, ito yon. You are in the right place. Uh, Nagpapasalamat ako kasi trading is not easy. You will need a community that always inspire you and reminds you na okay lang matalo. na, na kung matalo ka, hindi lang pala sa'yo nangyayari yon. Nangyayari yun rin sa iba. So, kaya nga, I really, gusto ko lang i-share tong quote na to na if you gonna go fast, go alone. But if you wanna go far, go together. So with this community, we can go too far. Yun lamang po, Miss Marge.
Wow! Grabe! Ang ganda ng sharing naman ni Miss Gemma. Palakpakan natin, guys! Grabe, super inspiring and kahit ako na-refresh po ako, na-motivate pa lalo na mag-learn. Iba talaga kapag founded yung inyong foundation, di ba? Iba talaga kapag nagtitrade ka with that knowledge and aside from that, the discipline. No? And sobrang, kahit ako naging grateful po ako no, sa um, appreciation ninyo dito sa community. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang po yung community natin profit, 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 but lahat po tayo dito nagdadamayan. Ito po yung community natin, guys. Kaya palakpakan po natin yung community natin. Ayun. Thank you so much, Miss Gemma, for your story. And right now, hindi ko napapatagalin pa, from Canada, let's fly over to the Middle East. Ayun. So, kung si Miss Gemma, no, kanina na-mention niya 5,000. No, tama po ba? 5,000. Pero itong tao na to, naku, hindi din siya magpapatalo. Kasi talking about 7 digits. Talaga. And also, I really salute his discipline. No, dito din sa trading. So, I know that he is so excited to share with you yung kanyang knowledge and wisdom. And guys, first time niya din na mag-share din dito sa community together with Miss Gemma. Hindi ko napapatagalin pa. Let's all welcome who will share his journey and how this innovation will impact us to his growth also. Let's all welcome Sir Ace. Hello, Sir Ace. He's from Abu Dhabi pala, guys. I'm so sorry.
Hello po.
Hello, Sir
Good
Ace. Hello, hello,
good
hello. Thank you
evening.
so
Hello po,
much.
Coach Mards.
Hello,
Kita
Sir
ulit
Ace.
tayo.
Finally, nagkita na rin tayo, sir.
Opo.
Ayun.
So, I by the way, ako po si Ace Kitan from Abu Dhabi. By profession is a electrical engineer, and then ang work ko po dito sa Abu Dhabi is a procurement engineer sa isang government company. And then ayun, I start my journey here in before as I remember to November 2024 I approached Coach Nars. Napaka-approachable na tao niyan. Kahit wala pa ako sa community, nagre-response yan dun sa Messenger. Tatanong ako sa kanya anong platform, anong magandang. Kasi po before is self learn lang ako doon sa trading. Nanonood lang ako ng video sa mga YouTube. And then nakita ko one time yung kay Coach Nars. Then tinry ko siyang i-approach before. Pero wala pa ako sa community. Pero
Wow.
saludo ako kay Coach Nars. Napaka-approachable na tao. Thank you po. Kasi magme-message ka sa kanya, hindi kanya talaga i-ignore.
Yeah. Totoo
Magre-response at
yan, sir.
magre-response siya sa'yo.
Totoo.
I-guide ka pa niya, i-advise niya sa'yo. Kasi before may tinanong ako sa kanya, may na-try ako na demo account sa isang broker. And then sabi niya, bro, much better you will go MT5. Kasi hindi ko ma-advise. Kasi doon po sa demo, na mayroon akong 10,000 na dollars na demo account. And then napaprofit ko siya into 50,000.
Wow.
And then sabi ko, okay to pero teka muna, i-check ko muna kung legit ba siya or hindi. And then I approached Coach Nars.
Pero
And
sir,
then,
baka kaming curious dito, sir. I'm sorry to cut you off. Paano po
mm,
pala kayo napunta dito sa trading? Since I know for sure na busy po yung work mo as an engineer. So, paano ba siya?
Opo, ayun po, ang nangyari kasi coach is na sa FB, siyempre pag nag-like ka ng isang post regarding sa mga forex na yan,
Mm,
babatuhan ka na ni Meta ng mga iba't ibang ads na regarding sa
yeah.
forex. And
Yes.
then one time, July 2 this 2025, nakita ko yung post mo mismo, Coach Marge. parang ibinato sa akin ng FB. Parang na-interest ako doon kasi may mga libre siya ng mga webinar plus points plus yung Hero 30
Yeah.
sinasabi na free na ibibigay. Which is
Yeah.
before nakikita ko siya doon sa FB na may bayad. And then itong Hero 30 na to is free na ibibigay ni Coach Nars at saka ng community. Parang
Mm-mm.
ganun. So naging interesado ako. So July 30, June 3, July 3, nag-attend ako ng webinar mo. Talagang tinapos ko yung webinar mo at the end. And then July 4, nag-enroll ako kay Iconic.
Oh, yes po.
Nag-enroll ako July 4 and then nag-deposit ako kasi nga mayroon siyang 100% bonus kay BT Market. Yun ang
Tama.
isang napakagandang profit na nakuha mo na agad. Hindi ka pa nag-i-start mag-trade, may profit ka na 1,000 agad, which is additional sa equity mo.
So, ibig sabihin nun, Sir Ace, may experience ka na ba dati sa pagtitrade? Or this is from zero knowledge ka dahil dun sa Hero 30, dun ba nagsimula yung trading journey mo?
Zero knowledge po talaga, coach, kasi ala ako nanonood ako ng mga YouTube pero hindi ko siya
Wow.
maintindihan how to take profit, stop loss, ano yung mga signal confluences, ano yung mga paano ka mag-entry. So wala talaga zero knowledge talaga until I found yung community na to na talagang ala akong hesitant na hindi mo na ako mag-enroll or whatever pagkatapos ng webinar sa'yo. Talagang na-inspire ako doon sa mga sinabi mo doon sa webinar, which is we are before on the same page. Kasi sabi mo is before is na-scam
Yeah.
kayo. Dumating din ako doon sa point na 'yon. Na pero sa ibang ibang hindi siya
Yes.
sa trading,
Yes.
ibang business. And
Yes.
then July 6, nag-deposit ako ng 1,000 and then July 7 nag-start ako ng aking live account. July
Bago.
7.
Wow.
Live account. On that day, July 7, I remember yung unang-unang profit ko is $18. $18 lang kasi 0.01. Kung maaalala mo, coach, nagtatanong pa ako sa iyo ano ba ang pinaka lot size na safe,
Yes.
parang ganito.
I remember
Ano
that.
yung pinaka parang ganun, nagtatanong 0.01, sabi mo sa akin para conservative 0.01. So
Yes.
nag 0.01 lang muna ako and then I try it. And then July 5, yung Hero 30 Session 6 ni Coach Nars. Hindi ko talaga makuha yun. Yung binigay niyang strategy, which is napaka-helpful. Yung mga signals and then yung sinasabi niya na before that one, yung candlestick confirmation, before and after, doon ka mag-entry, is talaga pong, sabihin ko sa inyo na 100% na doon ako kumita ng malaki. Yung $1,000 po na initial investment ko, which I found in 1 week time, nakuha ko na profitable siya. Hindi po sa pagyayabang, nag-loan ako sa aking mga credit cards. Hindi po, talaga po. Kasi, pampo ako risk taker kasi ako. Sabihin ko sa inyo, risk taker talaga din ako. Kung makita nyo, coach, yung mga pinapasa ko sa inyo. Hindi po ako nagpo-post doon sa community kasi baka isipin nila masyado na mamayabang ng tao to. Kung makikita nyo, yung lot size ko po, inabot ng 6.
Yes. Nakita ko nga yun.
6 po yung lot size ko and then yung order ko po doon is 5 na 6. So 30 po yung lot size na inaabot. Pero sa tulong po nung Hero 30 Session 6 ni Coach Nars, kasi po ang gamit ko po is scalping.
Mm-mm.
Doon po sa scalping na pag nag 5 to 10 pips na po siya, automatic out na po ako. Profit na po. So sa isang out ko po minsan umaabot lang ng 3,000 yung profit. Isang session,
Wow.
isang pampuyo na, isang trade. Kasi pag nagput po ako ng anim na trade, umabot lang ng 5 to 10 pips, out na po ako doon.
So, in short, sir, isang strategy ang nakatulong sa'yo together with
Napakalaking
the
tulong po.
Hero 30 session. And by the way, this is July 2025, right?
Yes po. Last
O
month
yun.
lang po.
So, last month lang. Wow. So, ibig sabihin
Yes.
nun, sir, is from zero knowledge, then, dahil sa Hero 30, and then with the tools na andito sa community natin, yun yung nakapagbigay sa'yo ng foundation para maging profitable ka. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
So,
Exactly
ibig
po. And
sabihin,
then,
sir, sa lahat ng mga zero knowledge dito at newbie, Talagang hindi wala siyang imposible, right?
Wala po talaga. Aaralin mo lang talaga siya, iintindihin mong maigi kung ano yung mga sinasabi ni Coach Mars, i-apply mo na lang siya kasi andyan na nakasubo na sa'yo. I-apply mo na lang kung ano yung gagawin mo. Sinasabi na niya mismo. May confirmation, antay ka, timing, check mo yung trend, and then ano ba yung confirmation ng candlestick, na previous candlestick, kung okay ba siya or hindi bago magpumasok. Parang ganun. Self-discipline din po ang papasok dun sa kung ano yun. Kasi maiinip ka kung hindi mo makukuha, maiinip ka, papasukan mo siya agad. Pero kung hindi mo pa nakikita yung pinaka talagang trigger para pumasok ka, mag-entry ka, hindi mo siya gagawin. So, ayun po, yung $1,000 ko na puhunan is pinasok ko po yung laman ng credit card ko, which is inabot po siya ng $25,000.
Wow! Yung
Hindi
nakita ko
po,
talaga
hindi,
sa'yo, Sir Ace, grabe yung lakas ng loob mo. So, ibig sabihin nun, kapag may lakas ka ng loob, plus may discipline, plus nakita ko din sa'yo, grabe ka, I mean, nakikita ko sa'yo, gustong gusto mo talagang matuto. In short, yung tools, wala pa din siyang silbi, I'm sorry for the word, kung hindi mo din siya talagang inaaral, right?
opo, tama po talaga. Kasi nakita ko talaga doon at saka ang naging ko po is, nag-stick lang ako doon sa isang strategy na which is I found profitable talaga.
Yeah.
Which is yun yung sniper ni Coach Nars
Ayun,
sa
no?
gold. And
Sniper.
then isa lang din po yung isang pair lang din po yung tinetrade ko which is yung sniper lang din na yun, which is I found profitable. Bakit pa ako maghahanap ng ibang strategy kung dito talaga kumikita ako? So, mag-stick na lang ako dito sa strategy na to, and then ito na lang din yung nag-set na rin ako ng goal. Actually, kung makita, last Friday, sinend ko sa iyo, coach, yung goal ko for the month of September, which is $2,000 per day. Yung aking minimum profit per day is $2,000.
Wow. So, ibig sabihin nun, sir, yung $1,000 mo, naging $25 in just one month.
25,000 po.
And yes, I mean,
25,000.
$25 in one month.
Yes
And
po.
magkano po yung total profit nyo right now, sir, if you don't mind?
As
Sa
of
ilang buwan nyo po dito sa community natin?
sa magto 2 months pa lang po ako this coming September 7 to be exact. Last Thursday, nag-withdraw po uli ako, and then the total na-withdraw na po sa account ko is $44,000.
Wow, that's around, magkano po yan sa Philippine peso right now? It's around 44,000. Grabe na, nag-compute agad eh. Pasensya na guys ha, nagko-compute na yan, 58 ngayon eh. So it's
Hindi
around
hindi po
5 million.
hindi po
Tama
ako
po ba?
hindi po ako sa nagyayabang. Ito po. Meron po siya.
Parang hindi siya na-clear, sir. Oh, grabe. Yung iba dito, guys. Okay, bawal mag-screenshot. Char lang.
Ialisin ko lang po yung blur background ko
O, di
para
ba?
makita nyo
O,
lang
sa
siya.
lahat ng mga andito, guys,
Ayan po.
pinag tayo ni
Ayan
sir.
po ang aking withdrawals. May mga withdrawals po ako. Ayan po. 10,000, 2,000, $7,000. Withdrawals po yan.
Wow!
Hindi
Grabe!
po sa pagyayabang, withdrawals po. At very thankful din po ako lalo dun kay Miss Tin,
Yes, yung
na
ating PM
napaka-supportive. Na
sa VT
napaka-supportive
Markets po.
po.
Opo, sa
From
VT
BT Market.
Markets.
Yun ang napakagandang kwan doon. Saka sa inyo
Ayun
din po, Coach Marge, kay Coach MJ. Talagang
din, sir.
helpful, talaga napaka-thankful ko na napasok ako dito sa community na to. And then, doon talaga sa strategy ni Coach Nars, alam niyo po, is sinave ko siya ng maraming copy. Yung session 6 na yon.
Ayun.
Although nandun siya sa community, talagang binabalik-balikan ko siya, minamaster ko yung isang strategy lang talaga, coach. Talagang I found it profitable. Talagang napakaganda. Hindi ko naman po sinasabi na wala akong naging talo, naging losses. Pero meron din po akong mga losses. Meron din ako, kasi dumating ako dun sa point na okay na, kumikita na, para nawawala ako sa line. Nawawala ako sa strategy kung minsan. Pumapasok yung pagiging greedy. Kasi sa totoo po, kung minsan in one day, kumikita po ako ng $10,000.
Wow.
Scalping.
Grabe,
Scalping lang
sir.
po yun. Sa scalping. Kasi pagka po, ang isang candlestick, di ba, naka 5 minutes candlestick po kasi ako eh.
Mm.
Pag
Wow.
umakyat yan, sasabayan ko po yan. Tapos, kung lang po, out,
Wow.
in, out, in, out, in lang po siya.
Wow.
Ganun lang
Sir, one last time,
po.
pasensya na po. Baka may ma-advise na lang po tayo dito sa mga beginners natin or sa mga bago pa lang dito sa trading. I mean,
Ayun po.
short word lang po sa kanila para mas lalo pa silang ma-inspire at gaganahan.
Ang may advice ko lang po is wag silang manghinayang doon sa kung ano like for example, yung $200 na ibabayad nyo. Ako po in just 2 days nabalik na po sa akin yon. Pagka-enroll ko nung 6, 7, 8, nabawi ko na po yung $200 na in-enroll ko before kay Iconic. And then naging
Wow.
profitable na po siya ng profitable. Plus points pa po yung Hero 30 na
Yes.
binigay ni Coach Nars. Yun po talaga yung pinaka ma-advise ko sa inyo na huwag niyong i-skip na kung may Hero 30 na ibibigay si Coach Nars, which is magiging tools na para sa inyo na kumita ng kumita ng kumita. Yun po talaga, pag nag-set si Coach Nars, yung mga coaches natin ng mga webinar or seminar regarding jet sa Hero 30 na yan, napaka po niyan, napaka helpful po na tools ng Hero 30. And then, hindi lang po yun. Ang isa ko pang hinahabol sana before is yung kay Abdallah. But after nun, mga ilang weeks lang si Abdallah is nag-out sa Iconic.
Ayun, meron
Yun
tayong
po
good
yung,
news dyan, sir. May good news tayo ngayon.
okay po. Yun po yung nag-iisang ko ka rin doon kasi sumasabay din ako kuminsan kay Abdullah doon sa kanyang US 30. Pero hindi ko siya talaga nakuha din yung strategy na before. Ang galaw kasi ng candlestick doon eh. Hindi ko siya talaga tinutukan. Doon ako nag-focus na lang sa sniper ni Coach Nars. Doon ako
Ayun.
nag-focus sa sniper.
Wow.
So
Grabe,
advice ko
sir.
doon sa mga newbie, learnings and then kung lang po talaga yung risk management ninyo, dapat nandun pa rin siya. Although ako talagang napaka risk taker po ako eh. Yun po yung masasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, risk taker ako. Kasi from $1,000 to $25,000, pero I found it na profitable and then totoo po na as of August 28, it's total of $44,000 po yung aking na out na po. And then meron pa po ako din sa account na natitira.
Ayun, wow, grabe Sir Ace. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin guys si Sir Ace. And we are so privileged and honored po sir na interview po namin kayo ngayon. And thank you kasi shinare niyo po sa amin yung wisdom and learnings niyo po dito sa community. Guys, palakpak naman dyan kay Sir Ace. Ayun, grabe, we have that opportunity and dito lang yan sa Pinoy Traders Community. And sobrang ganda ng mga stories and inspiration from Canada, from Abu Dhabi. Grabe, talagang innovation talaga yung event natin ngayon. It's a movement, guys. This is an extraordinary results. So, ibig sabihin nun, kung nakaya ng mga zero knowledge, wala talagang imposible. They just started from scratch and dahil sa tools natin, dahil sa Hero 30 sessions natin kung bakit sila kumita ng ganun kalaki. And of course, hindi ko napapatagalin pa, one of the most inspiring parts of innovation. I know guys, kilala nyo na po siya, pero hindi pwede na wala siya ngayon. Hindi ko pwede na wala siya dito para mag-share. Let's hear from the heart and the vision of the community, the man behind this movement, our mentor, our coach, walang iba, our leader. Let's all welcome. Pasabugin yung inbox, guys. Let's all welcome Coach Nars Paraguya.
Hello. Yan. Thank you so much, Coach Marge. Na-inspired ba lahat? Drop number 5 in the chat box kung na-inspire kayo na merong taong nagkaresulta. Actually, guys, maraming nagkaresulta talaga. Can I speak English tonight? Is it okay? Because our guest speaker for tonight, guys, she's from UK. Actually, she has a Asian blood, but she came from UK. At nonetheless, I would like to congratulate Coach March for hosting this event, and of course, Ma'am Gemma and Sir Ace for congratulations, guys. You guys had a great job. Yun, mahihirapan pala tayo dito sa English. All right, guys. Give me 5 minutes and I'm going to share it to you. I'm going to give you guys our guest speaker for tonight is my mentor. Actually, she's the mentor of my mentor. Okay, but before that, I'll just give you 2 slides, 3 slides, and then we're good to go. Is that fair with you? Is that fair with you? So congratulations, everyone. First things first, Sir Ace talk about Hero 30. This is the program, native program in the community, helping everyone to learn in Forex trading, even if you're zero knowledge in Forex trading. So if you're zero knowledge in Forex trading, can you drop number 1 in the chat box so that I know? This is not for already traders. This is designed for zero knowledge in Forex trading. So this is a 30-day program. Good news, we just had our second batch yesterday. So we just started. You know, Sir Ace said that the reason why kumita siya, the reason why he earned, because of the strategy and the learning that I gave in the Hero 30. Of course, I will not take that credit. Of course, credit to Sir Ace and Coach March for mentoring Sir Ace. But of course, I know Sir Ace also do his own assignment. Ibig sabihin, talagang inaral din niya. So this is a 30-day program, guys, for our community. As your coach on how to be part of that, I will give you extension for those who are not yet enrolled and not yet part of the community until Monday, because we already closed the enrollment 2 days ago, because we just started and we had 600 plus students who enrolled in this program. All right, so congratulations for those people that are already in the program. Another good news for you guys is that in our community, only for those part of our partner broker, not including those traders that are not in our broker. Okay, so we partner with VT Markets, and I'm so happy and so excited to announce to you that for the month of August alone, our community, all the traders of our community earned $94,000 USD, $94,000 in 1 month alone, or 5.3 million pesos na kinita sa mga traders natin sa community. Wala bang palakpak dyan? Are you excited? Goal natin dyan, paramihin. What does this mean is that really it is doing. What we are doing is doing. We are learning, and not only we are learning, we are earning with what we are doing. All right? So that's 5.3 million pesos in just 1 month earned by the traders of the community. If you want to be part of that, can you type me if you want to be part of that earning? I know that a lot of people also there earning, although it's a different level, but I'm happy to say that we are solving a problem. What we are doing, guys, is we are giving you a solution. What we do is we are giving you a solution. At the snap of your finger, or in the just one click, what we give you guys is, first, we give you the solution to learn about Forex trading. Now, I need to be honest with you that learning Forex trading is technical. I'm not saying it's hard, but what I'm saying also is not easy. It's technical. But because of our program, and not only our program, our tools and technology that we give access to the VIP program of the community, and everyone is easily earning dollars using in the side, or just doing side hustle. Yeah, nahirapan talaga. So, ibig sabihin, what does it mean is that we are not giving a solution. You are not giving a solution of how to learn forex trading, but also we are solving one of the biggest problem for most Filipino. Ano ba ang malaking problema ng most Filipino ngayon? Guess what? Kawalan or kakulangan ng kita. Kakulangan ng kita. With this, yun nga lang, we have different perspective, we have different views out of this one. But if you're given a chance to learn this one, even if you don't earn as big as what Sir Ace is earning, but even if you're just earning $100, $200, that's already a big help with our family. The reason why I want to make this call is that we found out another solution that could help your trading much more easier. We're always looking for a solution because, guys, money is attracted to those people who make a solution. And right now, I want you to be part of the solution. We are getting or we are having a new partner in the community with easier technology, new technology and new tools na hindi lang para kumita ka sa forex trading, gagamitin mo ito. And guess what? These tools are some of those are AI based. So it will really help your trading journey much more easier. With that, I would like to give you, we are so blessed that she said yes when I invited her. This woman is a very, not only pretty and beautiful, but very successful. In fact, she helps people like me earning 6-digit and 7-digit. She's not only my mentor, but she's the mentor of my mentor. Are you with me? Guys, I want you to have a Filipino warm welcome with our guest speaker for tonight. She's here to give you some good news on how to make our trading more profitable. Who wants to have a more profitability in trading? So ladies and gentlemen, without much further ado, I will give you the ever gorgeous and mentor, Lily Zaremba. Woo!
Hi, hello. I'm so honored and I'm so excited to be on this call with all of you here today. I don't understand everything of what you guys are saying, but I can see just from the energy and just from, the words that are being spoken right now that there is so much excitement and there's so many results, so many results. What I just heard previously, someone earning $40,000 in Philippines. I'm not even sure what that is in your currency, but I'm sure that is a lot of income. And that's incredible to see. I'm honestly so happy that NARS asked me to be on this call because I know how important this community is and how highly every person working with NARS speaks about him, right? And so I couldn't deny and I couldn't not be on this call here and just share a little bit more about this new partnership and about how simple and how easy it is for the person who is just getting started into trading, okay? Who maybe doesn't have a lot of experience, or even the people who do have experience, because this is a platform and this is a community and a partnership where it accepts everyone at any level. And it doesn't require someone to have thousands and thousands or hundreds of dollars to get started with. Because just like Philippines, there are so many other countries that are involved in this partnership that, are from Latin America. They're from Africa, right? From Jamaica, from Nigeria, from really developing countries that, their average income is really only $300 a month, right? Sometimes even less than that. And so I remember how it was when I got, first introduced into the world of trading, that I didn't have a lot of money, right? I only had $200 to start, okay? I was not this super successful seven-figure earning person that I am today. I was 19 years old when I got started, and I only had $200. I was working 10, 15 hours a day sometimes as a student. And so this whole world of trading just seemed like it was the answer for me, okay? I don't know how to explain it, even though I didn't know much about it at first when I first saw it. I just knew that this was going to be something that I wanted to do for the rest of my life. And it's been 6 years since that decision. I said yes. 6 years that $200 investment of mine ended up, again, with a lot of hard work and patience, because I'm not going to say that this isn't with any work, but that $200 ended up turning into millions of dollars for myself, at least 3 million. And so I want you guys to understand that if for some of you who are maybe for the first time seeing trading, just know that this is an industry that will completely change how you look at money, okay? You will never look at money the same way again once you get into trading. But if you're also somebody who is seeing this not for the first time, maybe you've already, experienced trading, right? Maybe you've already been part of a platform, before. I have been through, well, multiple, I would say, opportunities where I've seen how trading works, okay? And a lot of the times, there are platforms out there that they don't put the customer first. They do not, right? They either charge an extremely high amount or their services are really complicated. Really complicated. Okay? They're not simple to understand, right? Or they're not innovative in the way as what you see here. Hence, this call is called innovation, right? Because truly what you see in this platform are products and services that are innovative, okay? That people are making an income through not just Forex, okay? But also through crypto. People are making money through live sessions, where if you're that person that you want to be hands-on, you want to be live, well, you can do that with our amazing Abdullah, right? With our US 30 sessions. You can also do it with, manual trades, right? Where you have channels with experts that are phenomenal. And I want to show you guys some results, okay? From people, real testimonials, real results of people in our community who have just gotten started into this partnership just about maybe 2, 3 weeks ago, who were never as profitable as they were today now since using the services in Noah here. Okay? It's incredible to see endless results every day in my group chat, whether people are single moms, all right? People who are students, people who, maybe they're just, working full time and they just wanted some extra money, right, per month. But now instead of it becoming like a part-time income from them, it's now become like a full-time thing for them, more than what they're earning at their full-time jobs. So you have so many different ways that people are making an income from, automated ways as well, where people who don't have a lot of time, who have busy lives, are just simply using services in our platform that they just simply connect to, and it's doing the work for them. It's incredible how many different ways of making an income people have available to them in the trading space. Because most platforms, okay, they either only have one product, okay, maybe one thing that people somewhat use, maybe that they like. But we all know this when it comes to trading. Sometimes it's not just one thing that works for everybody, right? You need to have multiple things that actually work, not a lot, not a crazy amount, but a good select amount that people can easily use, simply understand, and start being profitable, not months later, okay? Our goal in our community is always to get customers to see results within the first 48 hours. Okay, within the first 48 hours, that is our standard. Our standard is very high, okay? Because when you are in trading, it's not hard to be profitable if you use the right tools, if you are part of the right community. And so I've seen it for years where people who are in the wrong community or they're not using the right services, well, they find trading super difficult. They find trading not to be super profitable for them. And I'm like, I wish you could just see how it is over here for us, because it's a dream. It's something that I see every single day. People are just literally so grateful that they're able to have access to this type of community and access to these types of services. So I want you guys to see a couple of results here, okay? From people in our community that are using these services and know that as soon as you get started, you will have access to these same services. These same services. There is not a difference between these people that I'm about to show you and their results and then you, okay? There's no difference. There's nothing that makes him or her more special than you. The only difference is that they saw the opportunity earlier than maybe you did and they said yes to it. That's it, right? So it all comes down to the decisions that you make that will create the results that you want in life, right? So I'm going to share my screen here with you guys. Okay. And this is just an insight a bit of how kind of our community is like. All right. So on Telegram, we have a lot of group chats here. And so here, I want you guys to see yesterday, sorry, this is August 23rd. So August 23rd, leaders, all right, who's in the platform and she's earning around roughly $25,000 a month, right? And she uses the products and services. But yesterday, she, with Harmony, okay, and with STRM, she made $2,000. $2,000 in profit. And she withdrew that. And you can see that there. She withdrew that. Then you've got a new customer on their first day, because I told you guys how important it is for somebody to be making profits within the first 40 hours. So in the first 24 hours, someone new, brand new, who signed up with Harmony and Fusion, two channels that are in our platform, made $147. Literally, $147, you guys, okay? Then you have another customer. This is an outrageous story. This customer deposited $42 and made 2,000 US dollars in 7 days. In 7 days. They're not trading on their own. They're not an expert. No, they're not. They're following what the platform's providing them. Imagine that. You turned a $42 investment into $2,000 in 7 days. 42 US dollars in your currency in Philippines is
100,000 peso.
No, I think it's this. 2,042 US. Is that correct?
2,000 USD is equivalent to 100,000 peso.
No. 42 US dollars.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yes, so that's 2,397 peso. Okay? That is, I can't even explain that to you guys, how affordable that is for you to really just get started. Now, another person who got signed up, she made her sign-up fee back in 2 days. 191 profit. Okay, so as soon as she got started, she paid $200 to get started. She made that back in 2 days. You think about in 30 days having access to us. Now, you can see here as well, as little as $10. $10 it. someone's making $46 in profit. Because I like to show both sides. I like to show, some crazy stories, but I also like to show, hey, the average person who's maybe like, I don't want to risk so much. I just want to see what it is. And they put $10 in and they double that, triple that, right? Here, a $42 deposit, 982. $982 in profit, you guys. This person put $30 in and made 882. Okay? I'm literally like you can see all the excitement. Everyone's like crazy in our chats, right? And it's insane. Another one, right? Making a withdrawal of $400 per trading account into that. Here, you can see more results, all right? We have the automated trading with Echo, where I said you can just simply connect a strategy and it will do the work for you. With someone depositing $10,000, they made $651 in the week. Completely automated, right? They didn't do any work. Now I'm showing you a mix, right? People that are putting in large amounts, people that are putting in small amounts, because again, it's for every type of person here. This platform is not also just for people who don't have money. It's also for people who do have money and don't know what to do with it, right? Now another, using the strategy with a smaller amount, putting in $16, right? Made $32 profit, 6.4% profit. This is what I'm talking about, you guys, okay? More results from Harmony, $638 with Harmony and Lumen, both using the crypto trades as well. You guys can see, right? From Fusion Channel, making 181. One trade, making 253. Like, I can go on and on. This is literally our community all the time. All the time. People are just killing it with results. People who, are making their first $1,000 in a day, okay? Like, it's incredible to see people hitting milestones of making their first $100 a day in trading, $500 a day in trading, $1,000 a day in trading. This is why I said, once you experience trading the real way, you can never go back to ever working a job again or ever looking at money the same way again, right? I can literally go on and on, right? Lumen, the crypto trades. With one thing I love about Lumen is that it's 24/7, okay? So just like with Forex, sometimes, on the weekends it's closed, of course, the markets are closed, but on the weekends, crypto's open. So you are literally able to make money 24/7 when you are in our platform, whether that's from crypto, putting those trades on MT5, right? Or again, just using the Forex, right? Using the pairs through Monday to Friday with Lumen again. Lumen rocking it for people. Echo, right? Automated trading, another $32, right? Deposited on her mini account increased by 12% using Harmony and Fusion. Right? This person, my goodness, they made $4,756. That's insane. Okay. Some of these results I'm seeing for the first time, right? Which is crazy. But this is what I want you guys to understand. Oh, I was about to leave the meeting accidentally, sorry. This is what I want you guys to understand is that when you're part of the right place, seeing results like this is just normal. It's just normal. This is not extraordinary. It's normal. Like I said, you just have to be in the right environment. I can tell you, I full-heartedly believe in this platform so much because it's worked for even the people that I love, okay? I love. So my partner, right? My partner who's my boyfriend, he never had any experience before in trading at all, ever, ever, ever. All right. And just by being with our platform, he learned, he became so well educated to the point that he ended up becoming an educator and is so profitable. Okay. He consistently makes from the platform And through the learning that he's gotten from the platform to become an expert himself, he does roughly around 5 grand a month, $5,000 a month. And then he makes countless of people in his team, 400 people who have seen his journey, okay, trusted him, have joined with him in the last 2 weeks. In the last 2 weeks, 400 people, and are making money, right, with him, with the services. It's one thing to have a stranger get started into the platform, but when you put people that you love, people that you care about, okay, in this platform, I can tell you that it's a beautiful thing to see when they become successful with it as well, right? Hello? Did you guys hear me? Sorry. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, you're in, but you accidentally click, I think, the share. Yep,
No, I didn't.
that is
No,
good.
sorry, I don't know what happened. Right? But that's what I want you guys to understand is that is the beauty of, being, I don't know who's doing this. It's not me.
Someone from the audience.
Okay. Okay. But this is what I want you guys to understand is um that that's where you want to be, in a place where you can put in the people that you trust, right? The friends that you care about, the parents that you have, right? Like it's incredible to have a platform where it helps everyone that you can imagine, any age group, any background that you can think of. So when you're looking at a platform, okay, I want you to really look at these things. I want you to look at how many people in this community are really profitable, how many people are able to easily, affordably get started into it, right? These are the things that are so important, and this is why this partnership is so special to Philippines, because this is the most affordable option out there and the most simplest services and with the best community and the best leaders that you have around you. When you have coaches like NARS on this call, okay, and the many other leaders that are onto this call, I can guarantee you, I can truly guarantee you that with consistency, with them by your side, you will see results. You will be successful into this. So, I just wanted to share that a little bit from my end to you guys. I appreciate you for sharing this time with me, and I look forward to seeing so many more people in the Philippines get impacted with this and see many more success stories with our trading services because it truly is life-changing. So, thank you so much, Nars, and I'll hand it back to you.
Wow, guys, let's give a hand to not only gorgeous, but wow, grabe. She is so successful and she's able to help a lot of new traders in the community. I guess, guys, with all the results would show you, I guess, guys, because I saw someone who asked what platform it is, how to start, how to join. Guys, what we do in our community, the Pinoy traders community, is we have an academy helping everyone to learn in forex trading. Now, the best part is that right now we are partnering with the best technology and the best tool in trading industry, which is NOAH. NOAH, all right? So, the Pinoy traders community, guys, tuturuan namin kayo. We will help you. We have a program just like the testimony of Sir Ace. We have Hero 30, and not only that, to make things a little bit easier, not so easy, to make things easier for you, we have a tool that we're using in the community to give you a high profitability win rate in trading, even if you're zero knowledge in forex trading, even if you're new. So what platform is that? We have AI-based platform. One that mentioned was Lumens. So Lumens is an AI-based, so I don't need to present to you that kind of product. What I'm trying to say to you is that as someone who invited you in this GC, or as someone he invited you in the community, ask the link on how to join. The best part is that when you join the BIP program, when you join, yes, thank you so much. Continue to give gratitude and show your appreciation to Miss Lily because, guys, you know what? Guess what? She will be working with our community more often. Wow. Because we are now partnering with NOAA, US-based and a Dubai-based company. Now, they are focused in building technology, especially AI-based, and a lot of expert trader guys. Someone mentioned Abdallah. Good news. Abdallah, nawala si Abdallah, but ngayon bumalik si Abdallah. Abdallah is now part of our provider, our new provider, NOAA. So since when you enroll NOAA, so kung nag-enroll kayo NOAA, sa mga already nag-registered sa VIP community natin, if you want to renew, I strongly recommend to renew with NOAA. It's much more cheaper, but the tools is even more powerful. With the Lumens, the harmony, the fusion itself, and the Abdallah live session every night. That's enough. Guys, anong sabi ni Ace kanina? 2 days lang yung enrollment niya. Guys, hindi ganon. The program is not hindi siya ganon kamahal. Mahirap pala mag-English. Hindi siya ganon kamahal. All you need to do is just as low as 200 USD below. In just 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, nag-ROI ka na, bawing-bawi na. So I know that this program is new, yung iba naguguluhan. So let's make it so simple. What you're going to do after this call is I want to approach someone who add you in the community or someone who give you the link or some person, ask him or her how to be part of this VIP community, how to access with this platform. We will give you the link. We will guide you, and by Monday, you can now start trading with our platform. So with that, I hope everyone are pumped up and excited. I saw someone in the chat that this is an eye-opening for him. Yes, exactly. You know my story, guys. I lost my company, I lost my business, but with this industry, I was able to recover again. What excites me most is that we're doing good in the community. What excited most is that being partnered with our new provider give us the higher chance of winning. Are you with me? Who wants to have the higher chance of winning? So guys, if I were you, I have a special bonus to you. I will give you a special bonus until Monday or even until Tuesday. If you're able to part of our provider NOAA, if you join NOAA, again, ask your sponsor, someone who add you in the GC, I will give our training program that's worth 5,999. That's Hero 30. So you already hear the result of Ace, our student of Hero 30, turning his 1,000 USD to 44,000 USD. It's unbelievable. But hey guys, it's 2025 already. A lot of things happened with this new technology and new opportunity. So what I want you to do is approach them, and then if you be part, or if you renew, or if you enroll with our VIP program with NOAA, I will give you that strategy, the Hero 30. By the way, guys, the strategy, the XEU Sniper is part of Hero 30. I will give you Hero 30 for free. Yes, you heard it right. I will give that program to you. That's a live training for 1 month. Live training for 1 month, 2 times a week. I will give that program to you for free. So what are you waiting for? That's until Monday. So what are you waiting for? Ask your sponsor, ask him for the link or ask her for the link on how to get involved with this platform, how to access with our partner, with our provider, Noah. So with that, guys, I would like to thank, of course, Mentor Lily for joining us. I know she is so busy, but it's been an honor, it's been a privilege that someone like her, who has the heart and the passion to help build Filipino nation become a better nation. Guys, this is not just a business. This is not just making money. This is helping Filipino. Maraming Pilipino nangangailangan ng side hustle. Maraming Pilipino hindi makabayad sa utang. And you are asking God for an answered prayer. This may be an answered prayer for you. Thank you so much. Good night. To God be the glory.
Coach, selfie muna tayo. Ayun, guys. Let's take a picture with Miss Lily. Okay, please open your cameras. Ayun, okay. Ayun. Okay na, Tek? 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, wow. Thank you so much, Miss Lily. We love you. Thank you so much for being
Thank you guys for having me on this call.
Thank you, Miss Lily. You're the best.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Lily. Guys, sa lahat ng mga andito, message your assigned coach para mabigyan na kayo ng link. And thank you, Coach Nars. Grabe, sobrang na-excite and sobrang na-overwhelm ang lahat ngayong gabi. Grabe, sabog na sabog yung inbox natin. Palakpakan natin yung mga sarili natin. Tama yung sinabi ni Coach Nars. Don't just be inspired, be decisive. Malapit na yung Pasko. Burmans na, guys. Merry one. This will be your best Christmas this 2025. Bigyan natin ng regalo yung sarili natin. This is your tonight. No, year na natin to. Claim it na natin to. Message your assigned coach para mabigyan na kayo ng link. And sa mga Hero 30 enrollees, message your assigned coach para mabigyan po kayo ng instruction para kay Noah. Maraming salamat and good night, everyone. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you po.
Hello, Lily. I'd like to give you this video to share my appreciation and gratitude. You nailed it. You did great.